Hello friends, I am here to tell you about WhatsApp for Business application. It has all the features of the regular WhatsApp Messenger, but with many extra features. So if you are not a businessman, then please do not waste your MBs in downloading this application. This is useful only for the business persons. Yeah, when it comes to features, it has many extra features than that. Yeah, let me show you that. It has the same application UI as that of the previous one, with a change in the color, and you can also set your description like that, business settings. And in profile you can set your business address, business category, business description, business hours, email address, and your website, and you can add more than one websites and your business location too. uh, when it comes to others, it also has statistics features in which you can say, uh, you can see send messages, delivered, read, received, and all. Yeah, this is something extra of a message. When you are not connected to the internet or not available on the WhatsApp, then you can use these features. Send away message, automatically reply with a message when you are away. So let me on this. So send an automated message at all times. Hello, thank you for your message. This is the message which will be automatically replied when you are not connected to the WhatsApp. Greetings message, when someone messages you for the first times or after a long time, then greet them with this message. Quick replies, in this you can set the automated replies. One extra thing which I want to tell you, that you can't use both the WhatsApps with the same phone number. So if you want to use WhatsApp for business, then you have to switch your phone number from business WhatsApp Messenger to business for WhatsApp application. And one important thing, if you recover your backup from WhatsApp Messenger to the WhatsApp business application, then you can't recover it again in the WhatsApp Messenger app. So this is something you need to take care about. Thanks for watching this video, and please like the video and share this with your friends. It encourages us to provide you more quality videos. So thanks for watching.